Beneath the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean lies a chasm so deep, so remote, that sunlight never touches its floor. The Mariana Trench, plunging more than 10,900 meters below the surface, is the deepest point on our planet, a place where pressure would crush a submarine like a soda can, and temperatures hover just above freezing. It is here, in this realm of perpetual darkness and unimaginable extremes, that scientists have uncovered one of the ocean's most perplexing secrets: thousands upon thousands of perfectly round metallic spheres scattered across the abyssal plains, as if the Earth itself had spilled a bag of marbles on its deepest floor. These spheres, known as polymetallic nodules, defy easy explanation. Imagine stumbling upon a bowling ball-sized orb of metal, gleaming faintly amidst the silt and shadows, untouched for millions of years. Each nodule is a treasure trove of rare elements: manganese, nickel, cobalt, copper, and iron, layered concentrically around a mysterious nucleus. Some cores are fragments of volcanic rock, some are the fossilized teeth of ancient sharks, and others are no more than microscopic grains. Yet each seed has given rise to a sphere that is almost mathematically perfect in its symmetry. How do these nodules come to exist in such hostile conditions? The answer, it seems, is as slow and deliberate as the passage of geological time itself. In the abyssal silence, metals dissolve from seawater and sediment-poor waters, gradually accumulating layer upon layer onto these tiny nuclei. The process is glacial, no faster than the width of a human hair every 1,000 years. Over millions of years, this painstaking accretion results in nodules that can reach the size of a bowling ball, their surfaces polished by the persistent currents of the trench. Yet, what truly baffles researchers is their abundance and their uncanny roundness. Why do these metallic spheres form so prolifically in the deepest places on Earth? Why do they maintain such perfect shapes when the ocean floor is a realm of chaos? Sliding sediments, shifting tectonic plates, and the constant rain of organic debris from above. Some scientists hypothesize that both living organisms and purely chemical processes are at work. Microbes may catalyze the precipitation of manganese and iron, while abiogenic reactions add further layers. But the precise interplay of forces in this cold, crushing darkness remains shrouded in mystery. Recent studies have revealed that the Mariana Trench is not alone in hosting these enigmatic structures. The Clarion-Clipperton Zone, stretching across the central Pacific, contains an estimated 21 billion dry tons of polymetallic nodules. These fields are so vast, so rich in critical metals, that they represent one of the largest untouched mineral reserves on our planet. For industries hungry for nickel, cobalt, and rare earth elements, vital for batteries, electronics, and renewable energy, the nodules could be a bonanza. But extracting them from such extreme depths poses technological and ethical challenges that science is only beginning to address. Consider the environment in which these nodules form. The ocean's deepest trenches are not barren wastelands, but thriving ecosystems, home to species found nowhere else on Earth. Some creatures here are so alien, so adapted to the crushing pressures and eternal night, that they seem to belong in another world. There are amphipods with transparent bodies, sea cucumbers that hover like ghosts, and microbial communities living on the very surfaces of the nodules themselves. Mining these precious spheres could disrupt habitats that have evolved over millions of years, extinguishing life we have barely begun to understand. But the mystery of the nodules goes deeper than their utility or their ecological impact. Each one is a time capsule, recording the chemical history of the oceans, the slow dance of tectonic plates, and the evolution of deep-sea life. Some contain isotopic signatures from volcanic eruptions that occurred before humans walked the Earth. Others hold clues to ancient climate cycles, locked in their concentric rings like the growth lines of a tree. Scientists are only beginning to decode these records, piecing together a story that stretches back to the birth of the abyssal plains. As research advances, new questions arise. Why are these nodules so perfectly round in some locations, while in others they are misshapen or fused together? What determines their composition, and why do some contain rare earth elements that are almost absent elsewhere on the planet? Could there be undiscovered mechanisms, perhaps involving unknown forms of life, or subtle interactions between seawater and sediment? that drive their formation? The deeper we look, the more the ocean reveals its secrets, while remaining just beyond the reach of certainty. In the quest to understand polymetallic nodules, scientists deploy remotely operated vehicles, robotic explorers bristling with cameras and sensors, into the pitch-black depths. They collect samples, map the distribution of nodules, and observe the creatures that make their homes among the metallic spheres. Each dive is a journey into the unknown, where the ordinary rules of biology and chemistry seem suspended. And with every new discovery, the boundaries of our knowledge shift, hinting at processes that challenge the very definition of life and matter. Perhaps the greatest mystery of all is what remains unseen. 95% of the ocean floor is still unexplored, a domain where the improbable becomes possible. Could there be nodules of pure gold, forged in volcanic vents and hidden in trenches yet unmapped? Are there species that use the metallic spheres as shelter, food, or even tools? Might the patterns of nodule formation encode information about the planet's deep past, waiting to be read by those who journey into the abyss? The story of the Mariana Trench metal balls is not merely one of mineralogy, but of the profound strangeness of our planet. It is a reminder that Earth's last true wilderness lies not in distant jungles or frozen tundra, but in the silent depths beneath the waves. Every perfectly round sphere is both an enigma and a promise, proof that the world is far more complex, more wondrous, and more mysterious than we ever imagined. In the darkness of the trench, where time seems to stand still and the laws of nature bend, these metallic marbles mark the edge of human understanding. They challenge us to look deeper, ask harder questions, and to never accept the limits of what we think we know. For in the deepest part of Earth's ocean floor, the impossible is not only possible, it is hidden in plain sight, waiting to be discovered. This is Deep Sea Mysteries, and the journey has only just begun.